Well, President Biden is attempting to put downward pressure on gas prices with a decision to release more oil from the nation's strategic petroleum reserve. There's another move, though, the president is eyeing that could be even more important. For all the details, let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman. And Rick, whatever you release, you have to buy back, right? And we've started to hear some details about how the administration is looking at this, especially considering how low the reserves are.
Right. This is not getting very much attention, but it's something new, and I think it's something important. So what the Biden White House said this week is that when they do start to refill the reserve, which they're going to have to do, the government has always, after it draws down, it does replace those barrels. And what it normally does is it waits for oil prices to come down, and it just buys them at the market price when prices are low. What Biden says they're going to do differently is they're actually going to sign contracts with oil producers to buy oil in the future, and this could be 1, 2, 3 years in the future, at prices that are between $67 and $72. So let's call it $70 as a rounding number. And that number they seem to have settled on that number because just about every producer in the United States can sell oil profitably at around $70. So what Biden is trying to do here is he's trying to give producers more incentive to add capacity today because they know that in the future they will have one big purchaser willing to pay whatever the contracted price is. So if they start writing these contracts, let's say the price is $70. So oil producers adding capacity today don't have to worry, what if prices fall down to 50 and suddenly we've added capacity and we can't make a profit on that. They will have this one very large buyer, the United States government, that will be willing to buy oil from them at a price they can make a profit at. So the idea is to increase oil production today and in the near term to keep prices down, which is, in a way, kind of a backdoor subsidy to the oil industry.
Yeah, curious to see how big oil responds, especially given just how contentious things have been between the administration and some of those companies. Rick Newman, as always, thank you so much for that.